Shiny wood floors without wax, simple household items that actually work. Dear friends, did you know you can make your wood floors shine without using expensive wax products? The secret is hiding in your kitchen. Today, we'll show you simple household items that clean, protect, and restore the natural beauty of wooden floors. Start by removing dust with a microfiber mop or vacuum. Dust particles act like sandpaper and can scratch the surface, reducing the floor's natural shine over time. Next, mix warm water with a few drops of mild dish soap. Lightly dampen a microfiber cloth and wipe the floor gently. Avoid soaking the wood, as excess water can cause swelling or permanent damage. For stubborn marks, use a mixture of equal parts white vinegar and water. Vinegar helps remove grime and residue, but always use it sparingly and test it in a hidden area first. A few drops of olive oil mixed with white vinegar can also add a soft, natural glow. Apply the mixture with a microfiber cloth, then buff the floor until it shines. Use this method only occasionally to prevent buildup. Another great trick is using black tea. The tannins in brewed black tea can enhance the rich color of darker wood floors while giving them a polished appearance. Remember, avoid harsh chemicals, steam mops, and abrasive scrubbers. These can strip the finish and reduce the lifespan of your flooring. If you found these easy wood floor cleaning tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love keeping their homes beautiful. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.